Hi, this is Neha from rectangle.io. So let's talk on how to respond to the reviews received on these platforms like Google, TripAdvisor, Yelp, etc. using rectangle.io dashboard. To use the auto reply options on rectangle.io new dashboard, please follow these steps. Log into your rectangle.io dashboard and select the location you want to set up auto reply for. From the left hand menu, click on Inbox. On the new page, you can select messaging platform you want to use for auto reply. You can choose from social feedback, Facebook, and TripAdvisor. Next, select the particular review or message you want to send auto reply for. You can either select individual messages and click on Generate AI Reply, or you can choose the option Bulk Replies with AI to initiate auto replies for multiple messages. Once you have generated the AI reply, preview it to ensure that it conveys the intended message. You can edit according to your needs. Click on the Send button to send the AI reply message to the selected messages. After clicking the Send button, you will notice that an auto reply has been sent to the selected customers' reviews or messages on the particular platform. You can use auto reply options to save time and efforts and respond promptly to your customers. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll get back to you soon. To learn more about rectangle.io, please watch our other videos. See you in the next one.